All right, so this is Peter with Policy Sage here. Now, do you have life insurance through your workplace? Do you? I mean, if you do, good job. Now, here is the part nobody explains though. Workplace insurance has three major problems. One, you don't own it. So if you quit your job or you leave, you pretty much lose your policy. Your policy is gone. And the coverage, number two, is the coverage is really small. I'm talking from experience. I had workplace insurance, life insurance. You know how much they covered for me? $15,000 to $30,000. That was less than my salary, my annual salary. So definitely not worth it. I have a policy that's worth way more than that, and the cost is relatively not that different as well. And then number three, it gets expensive. And what I mean by that is if they don't lock in your age, they do not lock in your age. So an example is if you're 15 years old and your parents get you a policy for 15 years old for your entire life, when they first give it to you, they're gonna rate you at 15 years old. Let's say you pay $100 a month for a $200,000 policy, and they rated you at 15 years old. If that policy is a whole life policy, you're only gonna pay $100 your entire life. It doesn't go up, and you have access to $200,000 in the case you get sick or something happens. Living benefits, right? And it builds cash value over time. So by the time you die, you probably have more than $200,000, to give to your loved ones. So I do this stuff for free in terms of the education. And employers, when you're telling your employees this stuff, definitely give them options. Have someone like me come in during their lunch or something, give them a presentation on what other options they got, because it'll help them in the end. It shows that your employer cares.